Welcome to one of the Gold Coast's most sought-after addresses. This is 2 of 2 St Paul's Place in the heart of the prestigious Isle of Capri. Set behind secure gates, this immaculate residence offers the freedom of low-maintenance living without compromising on space, style, or serenity. Inside, the home unfolds with a light-filled coastal warmth. A spacious, open-plan layout brings the heart of the home together, blending indoor and outdoor living seamlessly. The gourmet kitchen is a statement in luxury, with an oversized island bench, brand new induction cooktop, and a generous butler's pantry. It's a space designed to entertain, connect, and create. Framed by louvred windows and expansive glass doors, your integrated outdoor entertaining will be home to many a great memory. Upstairs, you can catch glimpses of the sparkling city skyline, an ever-present reminder of just how close you are to everything the Gold Coast has to offer. Your second level is home to an additional living space, offering flexibility for families or guests, while 4 spacious bedrooms provide comfortable separation. The master suite is a sanctuary, complete with a walk-in robe and a beautifully appointed ensuite with full-size bathtub for soaking away the worries of yesterday. You will enjoy life on the island. Just steps from your front door, you'll find Capri on Via Roma, home to Harris Farm markets, boutiques, and some of the best local cafes and restaurants. Meanwhile, world-renowned beaches are only minutes from your door. For families, top-tier schools like TSS and St Hilda's are close by, with Surfers Paradise State School just over 100 metres away. A residence that feels brand new, with nothing left to do but move in and enjoy. This is more than just a home. It's a lifestyle of ease, elegance, and exceptional convenience. I cannot wait to show you your new home.